ये भी मौजूदा
चलो लिखो, रेडी। 80 है। I am directed to refer to the above subject and to state that instances have come to the notice of the government in which candidates slash persons on their first entry in government service have been allowed to join duty without production of medical fitness certificate duly issued by the competent authority, full stop. Such civil servants are allowed to obtain the requisite certificate at a later stage on expiry of considerable period of time, full stop. In this connection, comma, attention is invited to rule 21 of the Punjab Civil Servants Appointment and Conditions of Service Rules, comma, 1974, which provides that a candidate for appointment must be in good mental and bodily health and free from any physical defect likely to interfere in the discharge of the duty of his duties, full stop. I am to emphasize that the practice of joining the candidates without medical fitness certificate being inconsistent with the rules and instructions referred to above may be discouraged, and in no case a candidate be allowed to join his assignment without the requisite medical certificate, full stop. I am directed to refer to the subject noted above and to say that a question has arisen as to the status of leave availing, full stop. It has been observed that in such cases the officers assumed entire description to determine the date of date of commence of leave, full stop. Some civil servants take weeks or months from the date of sanction, and sometimes the leave is never availed, full stop. This practice frustrates the whole process of making alternative arrangements during the sanctioned leave, full stop. The matter has been considered, full stop. It may be emphasized that the option to determine the date of commencement of leave exercised by the applicant is subject to the approval of the leave sanctioning authority, full stop. Sanctioning of leave, comma, therefore, comma, includes the sanctioned period of leave including the date of its commencement and expiry, full stop. According to rule 21 of the revised leave rules, comma, 1981, comma, leave commences from the date of availing on which a civil servant hands out the charge of this post and ends on the date proceeding on which the assumes duty, full stop. These dates are therefore required to be mentioned in the leave sanctioning explicitly, full stop. I am therefore to clarify that the above procedure may be followed carefully so that the dates of commencement and ending of the leave are in the knowledge of sanctioning authorities, comma, so as to avoid unpredictable conditions for making alternative arrangements during the period of leave and for arranging the passing of civil servants, full stop. दूल्हा पानी पिला बच्चे।